everyone, welcome back to Three Kids in a Home. I am Tiffany, and today I am doing some quick morning cleaning before we head out for some Saturday afternoon fun. We're going to a birthday party later, so I just wanted to make sure that we got as many things done as possible so that we can enjoy our full weekend. So I'm going to be starting here in our kids' bedroom and putting away some of their towels, and then at the end of the video I'm also going to be doing some decluttering and organizing in our bathroom linen closet, so make sure you watch till the end for that. So if you're in need of some cleaning motivation, I have got you covered. Let's go ahead and get this thing started.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
So once I got all of the towels put up and our towels switched over, I wanted to go ahead and change out the filter. We changed out all of the other ones the day before, but this one we had to actually go to the store and get. And once I opened it, I was like, it's a little dusty in here. And if you're like me, I just can't see something and just leave it. I have to go ahead and take care of it right away. And that dust was definitely falling, so once I get this changed out, I'm gonna go ahead and get the floor vacuumed up underneath the filter, and then I'll get started on my son's bathroom.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons.
Whenever I clean the bathrooms, I always put the toilet bowl cleaner in first so that it can sit and soak for a few minutes while I clean the rest of the bathroom. With our bathrooms, I do try to clean them on a weekly basis, rotating them out. We do have 4, and so it's a little hard to keep up with it, but I try to follow a set schedule. So we are teaching the children to clean up certain things after themselves, like making sure that they clean up all of the dried up toothpaste in the sink, emptying out their own trash, and just things like that. Just teaching them how to just take care of what they have. And they're starting to do a really good job with that. But if you have boys, then you know there are just some things that can't be helped. And so I especially like to come in here and just make sure I give it a deep clean. Let me know in the comments below if you have a cleaning schedule or you just kind of clean it as needed.
make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming.
So I am not big on mixing chemicals. You will not find me in the bathroom passed out from films. But one method that I do constantly use is once I spray and scrub down my surfaces, I then go back and dry them with a paper towel and then go back over them with a Lysol or Clorox wipe just for sanitizing purposes.
Take me, shape me, use me, I am yours. Take me, break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the goalie, never lonely. Got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me. Seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.
Caught in every moment, I see the sun on your face. Hopeful eyes keep them glowing. Yeah, I love you more than words could say. There's nothing you could do.
I did the majority of the toilet cleaning off camera, but I do spray and wipe down the toilet from top to bottom, including around the base, behind the toilet, and on the floor area surrounding the toilet as well.
You don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams. Been trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. I won't walk away. I promise I'll stay. Yeah, I promise I'll stay. If you could see what I see, the lonely nights overcome, and you'd be proud, yeah, believe me. You'd be proud. This child you've already won. Yeah, there's nothing you could do.
If you are new to my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me today. I am Tiffany, and on this channel I do home decor, cleaning, DIY, and organization with a little bit of lifestyle sprinkled here and there. Here on this channel we do like to keep our home beautiful, but at the same time we have 3 children and a dog, so we like to make sure that we're able to keep it livable as well. So if you like what you've seen so far, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. I would love to have you all here, and for everyone who's coming back again to join me, thank you so much for taking the time out to be with me, and I hope that everyone's week is off to an amazing start.
Promise I'll stay. Promise I'll stay. Yeah. I'll never leave, you know. I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave, you know. I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave your side. No, I'll never
in our bathroom linen closet, the Dollar Tree bins that we had in place were beginning to fall apart and they were just overflowing and unorganized. So I decided to go ahead and just update this area, get it a little bit more organized, and just make it look nice in general. I have been on a mission to just get everything decluttered and organized in this house. So you're going to see a lot of that coming up in the next few weeks. So I did pick this basket up and a few other bins from TJ Maxx. So I'm just going to be putting like my tissues and things in here. I've already went on ahead and filled it up. I was just so excited to see what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff that in the bottom of our linen closet.
The sum of my mistakes, can I catch a break?
Here are a few additional bins that I also picked up from TJ Maxx. So I decided to use this really big one to store like all of our pillowcases and things like that at the very top. And then I picked up a few of these smaller ones. Once I put everything in here, I realized that I do want to get another medium-sized one. So in here are just like my lady items, so just things for that time of month. And then in here, in the larger ones, I decided to go ahead and put like our washcloths and things. I got some in the washing machine and the dryer that I need to put up, and then just things like our hand towels and stuff like that in the other bin. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put those in the closet, and then I just need to take our towels out of the dryer, get those folded, and put those up as well.
Take a deeper breath before I reset. Oh my, so tired, but I begin again. Every step is time well spent. I'll take pride, down for the ride till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right.
I was at Target the other day and I came across this over-the-door storage here. This was $10 at Target, so I went on ahead and I hung that up there. I really don't have a lot in it right now, but I did just want to be able to have a place to store like random things. So like there's some cotton balls that don't all the way go in the storage container that I have for them. There's also like our toothbrush cases, some spare toothbrushes, things like that in here. I might end up changing this, but for now this is what I have going on in there.
To my dreams, lessons I embrace till I see. Trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay, it's just another wrong. We all have flaws, just another frown. Please don't take it hard, love. We must be strong, yeah. We live to learn another day. Please don't take it hard, love. We'll be okay, be okay.
I did find some leftover battery operated puck lights in our laundry room, so I'm just going to add 2 of those to each side just for some added ambiance when we open up this space. But that is going to be everything for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed and you were able to get some cleaning and organizing motivation of your own. This is what everything looks like and I love it. It's so simple and it works so well for the space. But I hope everyone has a wonderful week. Until next time, be blessed.